Hello guys, today we're gonna be making basic one straw lei. So what we need here is rat tail ribbon. We have the basic satin ribbon in here, and we also have the eyelash ribbon in here, and you're gonna need a straw and a tape. So let's get started. First, you have to put your ribbon, the white ribbon, inside the straw. Sometimes you can put a tape on the end of this ribbon. It should be easier for you to stick it all the way through, but kind of lazy to put it in. So I'll just do it this way. Getting there. There you go. So we go ahead, pull a little bit, and now we put the tape on to hold it, and then we can start making our lei. So what we do is grab the eyelash and the rat tail ribbon. I'm gonna do this. I have some kind of issue here. I forgot to undo it, so let's go ahead and do it. Okay, there you go. So put them together, and we're gonna tie them on the end of the straw right there. So when we tie it, we make sure it's not too tight, but enough to be able to move it around, so you can move it when you're making your lei. It's not too loose, not too tight, it's just enough so you can move it. There we go. Okay, let's get started. So what we do is we just looping these two ribbons around the straw. Super easy, guys. See, just going it in there, pushing it down, just like so. It's really easy straw making, single straw lei. There we go. So we're gonna be doing this for the next maybe 5 minutes or so until you guys get used to it. But this is super easy. So you guys are just doing the same pattern. Just looping it around that straw, pulling it down, loop it through. There you go. Going around that straw, going around that straw, and then pull it down. And we're gonna keep on doing this until we are done to what length that we want. This one I didn't really measure because it's kind of hard with this particular type of material, so we can just actually put it on our neck, see if it's long enough. Then that's how you wanna, try and see the measurement. But other than that, I didn't measure my material on this particular type of lei. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish it up, and we'll be right back. So here you go, guys. We are now done with our lei. So this is the right length for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the tape. And okay, sorry, I'm kinda having a hard time taking out the tape here. It's getting there. There you go. Tape is out. Okay. So now we can pull out our straw. Make sure you guys have to secure the other side. You gotta hold on tight to it. And then now we're gonna cut off the other end where we have finished our lei. So we're tying it once, twice. We want to make sure it's secured. Okay. And then we're gonna trim that hanging ribbon in there because we don't want it there. Okay, cut that off. After we cut it off, we can now put them together. So what I do here is just tying them. Normally you can actually use kukui knot or shells on each end to make it more, you know, nicer. But this one I'm just making a basic, simple lei. So I'm just tying them twice. See how I tie them? Okay, and then make a simple ribbon because this goes in the back of your neck. This doesn't have to show. So you just make a simple ribbon. Like I said, you guys can always use kukui knot or shell to make it more nicer. But this is a very simple lei that I made. Trim it on each end. There you have it. Let's try it on. Oops, my glasses. Okay, try it on. See how that lei looks? It's very different from the normal lei that we make. The rat tail have a nice the rat tail lei has a nice effect on this. So like I said, the ribbon don't belong on the front, it belongs in the back on your neck. Okay, there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.